Hello, my name is Erica and I'm one of the children's librarians here at the Berkeley Public Library. And today we are going to make something called a walking rainbow. You're going to need 7 cups or glasses, but you want to make sure that they are clear because you want to see what's going to happen with these different cups. You'll also need water and food coloring. And it's best if you can get liquid food coloring. All that I had was gel food coloring. So once I put the color in each of the cups that had water in there, I had to stir it up because the gel comes out really sticky. So what you want to do is fill up every other cup only halfway. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top. Just fill it halfway. Mine's a little bit more than half, but I think that'll be okay. So we fill it up a little bit more than, or a little bit, you want to fill it halfway, and remember every other cup. And then you'll put your colors in. So I put in, and I think if you want a walking rainbow, it would be good to follow along. You put in red, and then you skip a cup. Then you put in yellow, and you skip a cup. You put in blue, and then you skip a cup, and then you put red in again. The last thing that you're going to need for your walking rainbow are paper towels. You'll take your paper towel and fold it in half, and if your cups are short like mine, I cut a little bit off the edge of the long paper towel. See how shorter than the rule. Then what you want to do is take your paper towel, put one end into the cup with color and one end into the cup that is empty. Do you see what's already starting to happen? I see some color inching up the paper towel, and then we'll put the paper towel into the empty cup and the paper towel into the cup with water. And you might need to move your cups a little closer to each other. And one paper towel into a cup with water again. And just repeat until you have filled up all of your cups with your paper towels. And almost done. Pull that one a little closer. Ta-da! So you should have all your cups and your paper towel coming in and out of each cup. So we are going to wait a little while, and then we're going to come back and visit and see what happens. All right, so here we are. It's the second day, and you can see that things are a little different. We've got some changes here. We see that the water and the color has moved from one cup to the next. So we've got red food coloring here and blue food coloring here, and the water and the food coloring moved into this center cup here. So these cups were all empty, and now they have a little bit of the water in them from the other cups. So we've got red and blue to make purple. We've got here blue and yellow to make green. There's a little bit of green of water in there, not a lot. And then we've got yellow and red to make orange. This happens through a process called capillary action. The paper towels are made of fibers, and the water is able to travel through gaps in the fibers. The gaps in the paper towel act like capillary tubes. And you might have heard of capillaries before. We have capillaries in our body. They are part of what helps blood travel through our bodies. We've got veins and capillaries. And so instead of having blood, we have water that's traveling through the paper towels. And what's really cool is that we're actually also able to mix the colors too, to make ourselves a rainbow. Capillary action in nature is what allows water from the roots of a plant to make it all the way up to the leaves at the top of a plant or tree. So there you have it, capillary action and your walking rainbow.